Were you aware that the cheese that you probably use on a very regular basis contains a prescribed drug as well as other agents? Come with me, I'll show you what to do. Many of us know that our shredded cheese contains a non-clumping agent. That's called powdered cellulose. The powdered cellulose is actually wood chips that have been pulverized. But did you also know that it contains a prescribed drug? That prescribed drug is natamycin. This particular drug is used for certain eye conditions. And when used for eye conditions, it can only be obtained through a doctor's prescription. It's used in our cheese to cut down on mold and yeast. But natamycin is a prescribed drug. Natamycin is in shredded cheese. This is why you hear me and other people say, don't use pre-shredded cheese. It doesn't matter the brand. It doesn't matter the flavor or the type of cheese. It all has natamycin. It also has powdered cellulose. Take a look. Natamycin, powdered cellulose. Now, powdered cellulose is wood chips, and it's in here to keep it from clumping up. This is why you buy shredded cheese, because you think, oh, it's easy, it's already done, and it's not clumping up. It's in all shredded cheese, right here. Natamycin, a prescribed drug that you can't get without a prescription. There's an easy fix. Please be aware that it's just your shredded cheese. A lot of people love string cheese. It doesn't have either of those in it. It doesn't have natamycin, and it doesn't have powdered cellulose. Your sliced cheese does not have natamycin, nor does it have powdered cellulose. And then there's your block cheese. Your block cheese, again, does not have natamycin, nor does it have powdered cellulose. Shredded cheese works really, really well in a lot of recipes. So this is what you do. You can just take your block cheese and grate it. You can use a hand grater. Can't use a hand grater? What I like to use most often is my food processor. Unwrap the cheese, turn the food processor on, and shred it. How easy was that? Shredding your own block cheese, as you just saw, I had a whole block. I shredded it in less than 5 seconds. And I don't have to worry about the chemicals. Looks the same to me. After that, you can store your cheese in a Ziploc bag. Once it's in the Ziploc bag, you can put it in the freezer or the refrigerator. Now, I know that sometimes in the store, you have a blend of cheeses, just like this one. This is pre-shredded, and it's cheddar and pepper jack. So get you a block of pepper jack and get you a block of cheddar and grate them together and mix them up yourself. And sometimes our cheese is also flavored. You'll find a Mexican blend, and it'll have a certain amount of spices in it. But I tell you what, if you really want to spice up your cheese with a nice flavor, try adding my all-purpose prep seasoning to it. It gives it an amazing flavor. Use it on tacos and casseroles. Link below in the description and in the pinned comment. Let's not buy shredded cheese with prescribed drugs in it. If you did not know that a prescribed drug was in your cheese, take a second and subscribe to the channel. Turn on that notification bell so you won't miss anything. Natamycin, a prescribed drug, is in our cheese. And there you have it.